Alright, hi everyone. I just built my own chatting app called WaveChat, using Flutter, Firebase and Riverpod. So the app looked like this. This is the call section, this is the profile section. And this is the main chat section. The chat interface looked like this. Messages are sent. And messages are sent and received in real time. One cool feature is that you can change the chat background theme. Right now I have added 12 different themes. And when one person changes the theme, it syncs on both devices. In Settings section, you can also switch the app between dark mode and light mode. By clicking this button, you can create new chats or group chats as long as the other person has installed and signed up in the app. So yeah, this is my app, WaveChat. If the response is good, I will upload another video with more details and the source code. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.